Hey friends, so if you encounter this issue on League of Legends, that is error 5C, trouble fetching information, then I will help you with the resolutions. Now let us understand what this issue is and where this issue stands with. So this issue is basically with the IP address of the system, with the network of the system. So the main solutions are, first of all, restarting your router. Switch off your router and disconnect it rather. Wait for 10 seconds, reconnect the router, make sure that the lights are stable, then connect it to your system. The second solution is logging out of the game and then logging in back with your original ID. So, what does it mean by the original ID? Because these days you can also log into the game using your Google email account directly from Google Login or some other login. But it is advisable to log in using your original ID and password. You can get that easily. The third option is that if the issue is with the router, then at least for the logging in part, not for playing the game, only for the part where you log in with the hotspot on your mobile device and then shift to the Wi Fi again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please let us know in the comment section of this video. And if not, then please tell us about that as well so that we could investigate it further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.